Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling window snapping on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The window snapping feature snaps windows to automatically resize and arrange them into layouts. Here is how to turn that feature on and off. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. In System Settings, select Multitasking. The first setting here in Multitasking is the setting we are looking for. You can enable or disable window snapping here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.